So this is Faisal or FSR.
I check. Okay, this is the Mammo Inspiration. It's a new model, and there's different controls I'm gonna show you.
Right.
This is the up and down movement for the
Cool.
unit.
Okay.
And we have a
Rotation.
180 rotation from right and left.
Oh, this is clockwise.
This
Okay.
is the 90-degree.
It's a bit dangerous for the technologies, no?
No, not at all. And
Do you have a remote control, like TV remote control you usually have? Maybe on the console, right? It's not on the.
That's right. So this is the. It goes to negative 180 and then positive 180. So
180
180 left side and 180 right side.
Okay.
So total, you're talking about the 360-degree movement.
Right. What is the button on the center there?
Okay.
It's going backwards.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the
Arrow
compression.
going forward here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not working.
And this is the compression
Oh, okay.
control.
Okay.
And then also we have a compression control with the foot switch.
Okay. Okay. Up and down. Is this optimal compression always on? Pretending the patient is there? Yeah.
That's right. It's all automated compression is
Right.
is configured.
Automatically, right? Can if we put let's say something like this, is it going to be really compressed, flat?
You see that if you can see that that
okay.
window, if you can zoom it, it will stop there on 80.
On 80
79N. It will not go further. It will not compress basically more than that 78N. This is
so programmable.
Programmable.
You guys set up the.
That's right. It will stop.
Okay.
These. So
the customer or technologists cannot change this value.
actually we come and when we do the configuration for that.
Doing installation and this is fixed for the
Programming, yes.
Okay.
And then
Whole
the apps they come, they also check that compression, and then they work with the technologist
Right.
how much compression they want.
Right.
So
And
this is
let me double check 51 because it's blurry here.
it's like a 77. Okay, let me go
It's
again.
blurry. 51 millimeter. This is the thickness of the object here, right? Makes 51 is 5 centimeter. Yeah, makes sense.
So let me do it again for you. Compression. It will stop if you zoom into the window. So it stopped. Even if my foot is there, still I'm pressing it, but it won't go further because it's programmed.
This is very good. Good for
And
the
then you
safety.
can see that this is not pressed.
Yeah. It's slightly touched, but it's not really.
Yes,
Because it's a hard object. Okay.
that's right. And we have a different.
Puddle. They call it puddle. Yeah.
That's right. Those are the different pedals.
Okay. And depending on the breast size, right?
That's right.
Okay. And how about this one? The unit here. It has the same function, up and down.
That's right.
I'm wondering why they put it twice.
For the user-friendly option.
Okay, this is the fish shield. This This is the detector.
This is our acquisition workstation, AWS,
Right.
where all the processing has been done. Usually, when they take the images,
Right.
the images comes here,
Right.
and then it processes the image, and then
Right.
We see here on the monitor,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can send it to the PACS or the reading room on the workstation.
Do they buy the syngo via breast care?
That's right, that's workstation. That we call this AWS acquisition workstation, where the images comes and then get processed, and then we can see those images here. And then from here we can transfer to the DICOM networking to PACS, or the workstation in the reading room where the doctor can render or edit or review the images for the report.
Right. How do you set up the automatic DICOM Send? Is it already set up, or can you change now?
I'm right now there on the service page. Basically, we have to go to our Siemens service screen, and let me finish this one. Home. I have done pretty much backup. So here, this is our Siemens service home page. You can see this, and then here we go to the config.
Right.
And then there, we check the options, whether all the DICOM options are enabled. We make sure, and then from there we set up the host information, and then enter all these networking settings for the host.
So this came from your manual from the factory?
No, the site PACS support or IT guys, they provide those IP addresses and the subnet masking gateway.
In this case, is it Ratnam or?
It's all set up, yes, right now.
PACS support is Ratnam, right?
PACS support. There are two types of individuals who look after the IT, the site IT guys, IT support. They provide those IP addresses, and then PACS, they help us to set up the IP addresses in the DICOM.
PACS is in this case Marvin.
It depends. Let's say if it is a different vendor PACS, mostly the customer, let's say, don't have a Siemens PACS. They might have a Philips, Toshiba,
right,
or a
GE,
or probably
ACFA.
GE. So usually the site, they have their own PACS support. So what they do, they provide the IT and the PACS guys. They provide us those IP addresses,
right,
and the let's say let's see which PACS. Let me go to the. We have res backup send, primary send, the MCDR1. This is the one. This is the PACS. We are sending to.
So they have PACS or syngo via in this facility?
I'm not sure it's a single via. So you can see here, or on the screen, this is our PACS info, and that is our res, which is it seems to be, for me, the names showing ACFA.
Okay, they have existing ACFA.
So there's the histories, work list. The work list where the patient comes, get registered at the front desk, and then here on the screen, patient browser screen, we see the patient list.
Right.
The technologist, she doesn't has to enter manually the patient demographic info.
Right.
She just picked the patient, the info is there, she just enter the exam type and then start the patient.
Right.
The procedure. So very
Can
quick.
the physician also prescribe the type of exam in this work list?
That's right.
Yeah.
At the front desk, they fill all this information.
Right.
What
like
type of
different
exam?
views from
That's
top.
right. That's right. What type of exam it's required?
Right.
Let me go and then show you quickly if we have a work list.
Is it the same software like you have in ultrasound, the S2000 type of things?
That's right. Mostly our Siemens, they have syngo. Most of our modalities are syngo based, but there are different versions. So like for ultrasound is syngo US workplace syngo, and this one also pretty much same. Same functionality, same tabs.
Right.
Some additional depend on the modality. So here this is our patient browse screen where you can have a local database. Local database means the local hard drive on the acquisition workstation. So we are seeing the patient list from the
from the hard drive,
from the AWS hard drive, which are saved, which are done patient. This is the scheduler where we see the work list, which coming
So
the patient, the
DICOM
server. Sorry,
his or his.
That's right.
So they have already connected here.
So this one patient. Let me
Probably it's a dummy patient, right?
quickly.
Just
You
for
see
testing.
that,
Yeah.
You see that procedure is already
QC raw. Okay.
yeah. So
For the calibration purposes. Okay. We have AEC 200 Newton. Oh, we can set up here, but it's on the service mode. Right? You said 78 Newton just now?
that's all programmable. Yes, we do at the service.
Okay.
So there are different options. We can go to configure, and here we do different settings.
Oh, biopsy.
And
Oh, this is cool. So you can choose the needle.
and the procedure handling, what type of procedure. This is all apps. They come and then they do those protocols and preset settings for the customer, and usually they work with the technologist and radiologist, what type of workflow they want, procedure, operating programs, exposure technique, OpDose program, and projection names. So there are different protocols and settings. Our apps, Siemens apps, work with the technologist and radiologist to program the system to optimize the workflow.
Let me ask you, if the technologists come in here pretending on Monday, can she access this procedure handling?
Yes, she can access.
She can add additional type of exams.
She can, but usually all are pre-programmed before the during the installation. So she doesn't have to every day come and then change some settings
create
or
a new
protocols or settings. Just to enhance the workflow or productivity. All are pre-programmed. And then if she want to change, of course she can change.
Okay.
She can change the settings and protocols.
Right.
But usually,
does she have to go to the service mode, or
no, it's a user.
it's on the acquisition mode?
User access.
Okay.
It's a patient. It's an image screen from their option config, and then procedure handling configuration.
Okay. Oh, we just left service mode just now. This is not service mode.
It's not a service mode.
Okay. All right. Wow, this is very interesting. So if you, supposedly this clinic bought a certain type of needle.
There's a biopsy, of course, biopsy settings.
You can only use this type of needle all the time.
It depends.
You can add.
It depends. They work initially with the with our apps, and then they usually add.
Right.
Those
Oh,
needles
okay. They have
needles
13G. Okay.
That's right.
Or you can add, alright, okay,
yes,
okay.
they add.
Okay. Patient
And
browser.
Fleming and the original.
Oh, here you have two. You can also register your own patient here on the spot, like filling out the date of birth.
Like here, reference physician, they can set up different physician name, institution name, operator name, so they can log in through. Let's say there's a during the week there are a couple of operator or technologists they work, so usually they can pick their name and then log in from their name and then complete the exam. And then once the patient study goes to the PACS, they know actually which technologist, they know by initial, because they can set it up, technology, their initial.
Right.
Let's say Jessica.
Right.
So they can put the Jessica name, and then once she can log in through her name as Jessica, and then it will be tagged with the patient study, and then they will know which operator has done this procedure. Same way for the physician as well, and all this institution name, award, all this information you can put in. There are different criteria you can set for the searching scheduler, histories. So we helped. We actually service helped to set up those work list and history settings. This one is from the apps, our Siemens apps. Those procedure handlings also from the Siemens apps, all those tabs from the Siemens apps.
The transfer is manual transfer, I guess.
This one pretty much we usually we go from service and set it up, and then if we have any issues, we come and then make sure. This also it's a user access.
So basically, when they do the clinical training, the FSR will be present or standby.
That's right.
In the facility or just remotely?
In the facility as well, or remotely as well. It depends. So we can be here on site.
So you guys are always busy actually. Until finish. Until
that's right.
Handover.
Make sure system is functional, and then at least the procedure or the one exam they done properly.
Oh, they bought the audit trail. This is a special software.
Yeah.
It's HIPAA. Or is it HIPAA? They bought it? Oh, wow. But we didn't see tomosynthesis here.
Tomo option, I don't know. I haven't seen the packing list because I wasn't involved. So,
did you guys install the one in Kitchener with the Tomo, the first Tomo installation?
Oh, okay.
Was it Ahmed or?
I'm not sure who, but not me.
In Kitchener, Waterloo. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, tell me about the packing list. When you guys receive the equipment, usually the installation team is taking care of the shipping, right? Or NEMA, together with NEMA.
Yes.
Right?
That's it.
Tell me about the manuals they provide, because we always get these RFP questions, like how many manuals, a hard copy or CD. For the ultrasound, if the sales guy forgot to select the manuals,
yes, and they don't
receive it, we have to pay from the so-called non-conformance account.
That's right.
So we have to pay from our own pocket, Siemens Canada. How about the other mammography or?
Usually, I would say from the ultrasound experience, when we receive the new unit, I see both hard copy and the CD.
Yeah.
It's good to have some both Some technologists they like to have a hard copy,
Right.
and some they like to read from the laptop or computer.
Yeah, yeah.
So both option. Usually, I saw both hard
Yeah,
copy and CD.
yeah. Of course, for ultrasound, you can have the option to give the service manual, whereas here you need to go to factory training, right? We don't provide service manuals automatically, unless the RFP requires so.
I'm talking about the user and reference manuals, not
Yeah.
service manuals.
Yeah.
Service manuals are proprietary document for Siemens.
Right.
So we don't give to customer unless they get an official training from us, from Siemens.
Same thing with ultrasound, right?
Same thing, yeah.
Even though we have already quoted in the quotation, we included, we charge them actually for the service manual.
Okay.
But you keep it for yourself and let them go to factory training first?
That's right. The service manual, my understanding is proprietary manual, proprietary document, and if you are trained on the system from the Siemens, then only you should consult the service manual.
Right.
And if the customer requests, of course, they might be going for the training for their staff. The service training for the local technical support. Probably they are planning to send that those guys for the training. So that's why they might be asking for the service manuals.
What if they want to have second copy? Have you seen customer
they like
dealing with second hard copy?
Second hard copy?
Yeah. For example, they have maybe two technologies they want to study.
Usually, the manuals, user manual, reference manuals, and all these documents stay in the room, in the binder or in the cabinet. So they don't move out of the room, or it stays in the manager room. So each technologist they can go and then consult.
Right.
Let's say behind you there is a bookshelf. So all the Siemens stuff, all these binders here, blue binders, will go there.
Oh, this blue binder is installation manual, right?
Yes, everything will go there, and then they can consult in future. The
user manual is.
So you see that the quick guide.
A quick guide, of course, yeah.
So there are a couple of copies.
How about the other one there?
It's single operator manual, and those are all
the
quality control manuals.
But not the user manual per se for the hardware. Maybe it's included in the quick
This
guide.
is a Phantom.
Wow, this is good. I keep asking Hassan, right? The previous. Can I look at more? Okay, tell. Phantom for the which QC then? For the biopsy or general? Not sure. Yeah? Oh,
There are different
GAMMEX. Oh, of course, GAMMEX.
Different size, thickness for the detector calibration.
When you do the preventive maintenance, you have to carry your own book, or is it provided to the customer?
The book.
Yeah, the PM for the book.
We do have our CB doc.
Oh, okay.
All the doc So let's say.
Okay. So you download it before you visit your customer.
That's right. We all have the CB document. Let's say it's a Mammo Inspiration, so I have downloaded that information.
Right.
So all the info is here. You ask about the reference manuals. There should be a CD for that. A soft copy.
Oh, this is operator manual. Oh, that's okay.
So this is the operator
This is the
manual.
operator manual that I'm asking. Yeah. Okay.
Operator manual.
Yeah. how to operate the buttons or this,
How to use the
the
machine.
knobs.
Yes, that's right. They can consult.
Perfect.
So
Now we
and
covered a lot.
those books they stay in the room,
Mm-hmm.
and if not, it depends on the customer that
Right.
they want to keep it, but everybody knows where it is.
Right.
Um,
So tell me about this color coding here. LO, okay, for the designation.
LM,
To mark
alright.
your image.
CC.
Okay. CC, MLO, okay. And this is supplied by Siemens, or do you have to buy locally? The switch.
Probably that the installation
local.
guys
Yeah.
might know.
Nima said this is only 1 day installation, so that indeed it's only 110 volts, right?
Yeah, 110, yes. Standard 110.
Right, and you need one data connection only,
This
LAN, or two? Oh, one is for the phone. Okay. So one LAN connection only. Okay.
For the network, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Sorry, Faisal, do you want to show me something else, or? Okay. So you want to continue with your work. So thank you so much for your
Yeah, no
explanation.
problem. Yeah.
We'll do it offline after this.
Yes.
Appreciate.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye.
Thank you.